very good morning to all. Hope you all fine and safe at home, children. Okay, today we are going to see lesson number 2, India, Unity in Diversity. Okay, already we have learned lots of things about the children. What we have learned about what are all the food we eat throughout the India. Then we saw about it, and we saw about the clothing, and then what languages, and then we saw about religious, isn't it? This is what we have saw in the last class. And also we saw about the festivals, isn't it? During the spring seasons, during harvest seasons, and we saw about the national festivals also. Okay. Today we are going to see about dance forms in India. Okay. What we are going to see, children? Dance forms in India. Okay. See, India is famous. Okay. India is famous for its wide variety of dance forms. Okay, India is always famous for its wide variety of dance forms. That means we have very many dance forms we have in India. Okay, but basically we are classifying the dance forms into two types. Okay, see the two main types of dances are, one is classical dance and another one is folk dance. Okay, classical dance. Okay, classical. See, C-L-A-S-S-I-C-A-L. Classical and folk dance. F-O-L-K. Folk dance. Okay, we are going to see about today about the classical dance and folk dance. Okay, see, classical dance. What does it mean by classical dance? Classical dance are usually performed on stage. Okay, where we used to perform the classical dance means we usually perform the classical dance on stage. Okay, it is always to be specially trained by a guru or teacher. Okay, classical dance will always be specially trained by a guru or teacher, and it is performed in front of the audience. Always used to perform in front of the audience and also on stage. And then see the dances. What the dances wear? The dancers wear colorful costumes. Okay, classical dancers wear colorful costumes, jewelry. Okay, jewelry and makeup. Okay, the person who are performing this classical dance, what they will do? They wear colorful costumes and jewelry, and also they will put makeup also. Okay, here we have many classical dance. Here we have some examples of classical dance. See here what it is? K-A-T-H-A-K. Kathak. What it is? Kathak. Kathak is one form of classical dance. See here we have the picture of Kathak dance. This is like only the way of dance we have. Kathak. Okay, Kathak dance. And then see Manipuri. M-A-N-I-P-U-R-I. Manipuri. Okay, this is also one of the classical dance. Okay, see here we have picture of Manipuri dance. Like this, people will dance. Okay, see they are wearing many costumes and jewelries and makeup, isn't it? So this is Manipuri dance. And then see what it is? Odissi. Okay, O-D-I-S-S-I. Odissi. Okay, it is like West Bengal. Okay, children. See here we have the picture of Odissi dance here. Like this, Odissi dance will like it to be. Okay. And then see Kuchipudi. What it is? Kuchipudi. K-U-C-H-I-P-U-G-I. Kuchipudi dance. Okay. See here we have the picture of Kuchipudi dance. Okay, that is also one of the classical dance. Okay, children. And then see Kathakali. What it is? Kathakali. K-A-T-H-A-K-A-L-A. Kathakali is famous in Kerala. Okay, it's famous. This dance is very famous in Kerala. See here we have the picture of how the Kathakali dance looks like. Okay, and then Mohiniyattam. What it is? Mohiniyattam. M-O-H-I-N-I-A-T-T-A-M. Mohiniyattam. Okay, this is also one of the classical dance. See here we have the picture of Mohiniyattam. This is how we used to dance. This is the way of Mohiniyattam. Mohini Attam. Okay, and then see Bharatanatyam. Okay, this you all know, isn't it? Because it is famous in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Bharatanatyam is one of the classical dance. Okay, Bharatanatyam. 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 Here we have the picture of Bharatanatyam dance. You all know, isn't it? It is very famous in Tamil Nadu. Okay, see that is usually performed on stages, isn't it? With a lot of costumes, jewelry, and makeups. Okay, here these are all examples of classical dance. It is Kathak, Manipuri, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and Bharatanatyam. Okay, here we have the examples of classical dance. Now we are going to see about folk dance. Children, now we are going to see about folk dances. Okay, we have many dance forms of India, and it is classified into two main types. One is classical dances, and another one is folk dances, isn't it? Now we are going to see about folk dances. Okay, what is folk dances? See, folk dances are usually performed by a group of common people. Okay, it is usually performed by a group of common people, but classical dance are performed on the stage by only one people and also many of peoples also. But here commonly we can say that folk dance are usually performed by a group of common people. And then see, they dance to the beating of drums. How they dance? They dance to the beating of drums by singing a song and clapping their hands. Okay, how they dance, children? They usually dance by singing a song and beating to the drums and clapping their hands. Like that, this dance will perform. And then see, they dance during harvest festivals. We already learned about the harvest festival, isn't it? They dance during harvest festival. That means Pongal festivals and then Onam festivals. This and all the harvest festivals that I have discussed already, isn't it? So that type of festivals that they were used to dance this folk dance or to welcome a new season. Okay, see, they dance during harvest festivals or to welcome a new season. That means by spring season. This also we have already learned. So that type of festivals, in that type of festivals, what type of dance they used to dance? They dance a folk dance. Okay, folk dance. What are all the folk dance we have here? See, Bhangra, Gida, Garba, Dandiya, Ghumar, Lamni, and Kolattam are some examples of folk dances. Okay, Bhangra. See, Bhangra. See, here we have the picture of Bhangra dance. How they are dancing. See, children, it's very beautiful, isn't it? See, this is Bhangra dance. And then see, Gida, Gidha, Gida dance. See, here we have the picture of Gida dance. Here, see how beautiful it looks like. See, children, Gida. Okay, mostly these types of dance we follow in the northern side. Okay, see, Gida dance. And then Garba. See, Garba. Garba. See, here we have the picture of Garba dance. And then Dandiya. Dandiya dance. See, here we have the picture of Dandiya dance. Okay, Dandiya is also famous in most of the northern side, isn't it? Dandiya dance. Here we have the picture of Dandiya dance. And then see what it is, Ghumar. 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 See, here we have the picture of Ghumar dance. How beautiful they are dancing, isn't it, children? Ghumar dance. And then Lavni. See, here we have the picture of Lavni. Okay, Lavni, Lavni. Lavni, that's one type of folk dance. Okay, last is Kolattam. Okay, see, Kolattam, Kolattam, Kolattam. See, here we have the picture of Kolattam. See how beautiful they are dancing. Kolattam, isn't it? See, Kolattam. Okay, children, see, by using this picture, you are able to identify what type of dance it is, children. Yes, folk dances, isn't it? Folk dances are usually performed by a group of people, and they used to dance when there is any harvest festival or to welcome a new season. And they, how they will dance is by beating of drums, by singing, and clapping their hands. Like that they used to dance these type of dances. Okay, what are they? Bhangra, Gida, Garba, Dandiya, Kumar, Lamani and Kolatam are some examples of folk dances. Okay children, so far we have discussed about the dance forms of India. Okay, from this we have completed this lesson, India, Unity and Diversity. Okay children, now we are going to see home assignment. Okay children, see this is the home assignment. You have to complete worksheets 2 and 3, that is in page number 53 and 54 in book. Okay, you have to complete this worksheet in your book children, and you have to send in WhatsApp group. We will meet